And coming into view, that should be the first Virgin Atlantic of the day. This A330 from London Heathrow. Hey, that's an A330neo. Yeah, sweet. It's got the blended wingtips. Very cool.